Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question that 9 minus 3 then again 3 minus 1. Most people solve this question like 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Then 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Now 6 multiplied 2 is equal to 12. Okay. But here they are wrong because this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, then exponents, then multiplication and division. Both have equal priority. Okay. Then addition and subtraction also both have equal priority. Okay. According to the rule, first priority is parenthesis. So 9 minus 3. First we have to solve this parenthesis. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Okay. Now here is a one subtraction and here is one multiplication. So according to the PEMDAS rule, second priority is multiplication in this question. So 9 minus 3 multiplied 2 is equal to 6. Okay. Is equal to now 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. So the correct answer is 3. Okay. If you like this question, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.